Alright, so for part 2 of this heating and cooling water lab, I will be commenting on a video that was previously made. I will try my best to make it as entertaining as possible. Here we go. So here are the materials we have. We have a small glass bottle, a rubber stopper, a piece of yellow paper, a pipette, a non-flexible tube, and a syringe filled with blue dyed water. What we're going to do is we are going to take the non-flexible tube and we're going to insert it in the rubber stopper till it's a tight fit. Then what we are going to do is we are going to take our syringe filled with 35 milliliters of blue dyed water and we are going to carefully fill it into the glass bottle. A little laggy, but it is working well. Look at how that comes out so beautifully. It looks like Powerade in a bottle. Please don't spill it. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our rubber stopper and we are going to put it in the top of the glass bottle, fitting it nicely. Oh, there's a little liquid coming out. That's not good. But we're going to push it down so the liquid comes up the tube. Bubble! Poppy! Oh, there it is. Then what we're going to need to do is we are going to take the rubber stopper and we're going to loosen it a little bit so the blue water, maybe it's Powerade, I don't know, is roughly halfway up the bottle, or the non-flexible tubing. Once we have that done, we are going to take a handy-dandy piece of yellow paper. Maybe it's an index card, I'm not sure what it is. And I'm not sure where we got the tape, because that was not in the materials, which you will see soon. And we are going to carefully put the tape on the yellow index card that was cut multiple times. And we are going to tape it to the tube. Make sure the yellow index card is right on top of the rubber stopper. Please don't tape your finger. Don't tape your finger. Oh, that was close. Okay. Then again, another material that was not on the list is a Sharpie marker. We are going to take the Sharpie and we are going to label on the index card the line where this water level is, and this is our room temperature line. We are going to label it with an R. Here, that's fancy. That's a fancy R. Then what I want you to do right now is take a picture of this screen and put it on your paper under the starting temperature or room temperature picture. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to take this room temperature bottle of liquid and we are going to put it in cold water and watch what happens to the water level over time. And I sped this up because no one wants to watch another minute of this. So as it's in the cold water, you'll notice that the water level is actually going down. Remember this because there'll be questions later. The question is, why is it going down? Please notice the cold level or the cold line is lower than the room temperature line, and take a picture of this now and insert it where your cold water picture would go. Is anyone else concerned or alarmed that the color of the paper is now not yellow? Like the lady's tricking us or doing something wrong? Weird. Next is the hot water. So what we're going to do is we are going to take that out of the cold water, put it in the hot water, and same thing, speed this part up, watch the time go. And the water level is rising a lot higher, but rising. Oh, you get the idea. So now what I want you will do is you will take your Sharpie and label it with an H with a line at the top for hot water, and you are going to take a picture of this right now and put it in the hot water area. You should have 3 pictures at the bottom, and now you are going to move on to part 3. Make sure you have those 3 pictures. Good luck on the questions. See me if you need help.